Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making Chowmein, which is nothing but noodles. Now we're gonna be making chicken noodles. So let's get started. What I have in my pot is water boiling. I've taken about 3 to 4 liters of water and I'm going to be making 2 packets of noodles. Alright, which will serve easily 3 to 4. So until my water starts boiling, what I'm going to do is start preparing the vegetables. The vegetables I will be using today will be cabbage, carrots, spring onions, capsicum and red onions. So I'll quickly cut all of those vegetables and get back to you. So my water has started to boil. All I'm going to do is, the first step is to prepare my noodles. So I've taken dry noodles here and I'm going to put that in the hot water. Now remember, these noodles are dry noodles and I do not want to overcook my noodles. The only thing that I will do is, once these noodles are nice and loose, I'm going to take them out from the hot water. So do not overcook your noodles. So as you can see, as soon as you put them in hot water, they loosen up. That's it. I do not want to cook them at all now. I'm going to take them off in a second or so. Once they loose and you see that they're almost like about 50% cooked, what we're going to be doing is we're going to take them off from the flame and let it steam, and the noodles will automatically cook by itself. Okay, so don't overcook your noodle, let it be al dente. I think it's fine now. I'm going to take it off now from the heat. So as you can see now, my vegetables are ready, my noodle is drained and my wok is ready to cook now. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do is prepare my noodles. First thing is, once the wok is nice and hot, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of oil. Alright, the oil is nice and heated already. I can feel it. To this I'm going to add my chicken. Let's quickly season the chicken. In order to season the chicken, I'm going to use garlic powder. So I'll use about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next I'm going to add is some chicken powder for extra flavor. Next, I'm going to add is soy sauce. I'm using dark soy. And oyster sauce. 1.5 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix all this well, and then I'm going to add my capsicum, carrot, onions, to my vegetables. All the sauces that I've used already has salt in it, and hence I am not using any salt to season my noodles. Now once I feel that the chicken is almost cooked and the vegetables are also almost cooked, I'm going to add my noodles. Make sure I mix it nicely with the vegetables. You have a nice thick sauce below the noodles, which will help you loosen up your noodles and make it softer. That's why I recommend that you do not overcook your noodles at the time when you are boiling it. All you do is just make it soft, make sure that the dry noodles get rehydrated, and then you remove it out immediately. Lastly, I'm going to add is my spring onions. And I'm going to alright, so my noodles are almost done. Just mixing it up well again and serving it. I'll get back to you once I serve it. So my noodles is done now. I'm going to turn off the flame and serve it in a nice bowl. Okay. All right. Okay, so here you go. My noodles is ready. If you like my recipe, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also ensure to click on the like button and share the recipe and leave your comments. Also ensure that you click on the bell icon so that you get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.